Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make crab fries cheese sauce, updated. Start by melting 2 tablespoon butter over medium heat and whisking in 2 tablespoon flour to make a roux. Slowly add 1 cup milk while whisking, then stir in 1 cup shredded cheddar and 2 Oz cream cheese until smooth. Season with Old Bay, salt, and pepper. Finish by tossing with fries and crab for serving. Gather ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and stress-free. You need 1 cup shredded cheddar, 2 Oz cream cheese, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoon butter, and 2 tablespoon flour for the roux. Also have Old Bay, salt, and pepper ready. Prepping crab and fries while the sauce cooks makes timing effortless and keeps the fries hot when you serve them together. Keep the heat moderate and whisk continuously to avoid lumps and prevent the cheese from breaking. If the sauce is too thick, whisk in a tablespoon of milk at a time until desired consistency. If too thin, simmer gently to reduce and thicken. Add crab at the end to warm through without overcooking, and toss fries quickly to coat. Taste and adjust seasoning before plating for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.